Every year, more than 50,000 people die in auto accidents. 50,000. Many of them might have lived if their bodies had been shielded from impacting the inside of their own cars. The Department of Transportation, as far back as 1968, became convinced that to reduce this death toll, all cars must eventually be equipped with passive restraint systems. They're called passive because they're part of the car, requiring no action on the part of the driver to hook them up or activate them. To date, 2 systems have been developed, tested, and are ready for installation. One is the passive belt system, if you don't mind seatbelt restriction. The other is the passive airbag. The airbag passive restraint system is the result of space-age technology and 2 decades of research and testing. While the car is being driven, the air cushion system constantly reports its operational reliability. Each time you turn on the ignition, an air cushion light in the instrument panel glows brightly for several seconds and then fades out. And while this is happening, the diagnostic circuit within the system is checking the entire electrical network, including the lamp itself. This light reports that your air cushion system is fully operational if called upon to save your life. The airbags are hidden in the steering wheel and under the dash. You'd never know they were there until you need them. The system is activated by a velocity sensor, similar to those that control missiles in outer space. The system is designed to withstand the roughest roads, bumps, panic stops, even driving the car off a ramp.